What's the meaning of blood money? Blood money. Blood money.
Blood money. Blood money. Blood money refers to a sum of money paid as compensation or retribution for causing someone's death. The term originated in ancient societies where a person who killed an individual from another tribe or family would have to pay a specific amount of money to the victim's family, as a way of avoiding a blood feud or retaliation. In modern times, blood money has taken on various meanings, including fines or compensation paid by individuals or entities that have caused harm or damage to others. It can also refer to bribery or illegal payments made to officials or authorities to avoid punishment or gain favors. Overall, the term carries connotations of violence, guilt, and financial reckoning.